There we go. All right, there's a yellow gnome. And here's our other little friend who already has a nose. He just needs a hat. Oh, he's adorable. Okay. And a tiny friend with a hat. Okay. Which is next? Green. That's a nice green. Do we have, and we might not have a piece of this exact preconditioned green sitting out, because when we made the girls, oh my goodness. Sorry, the dogs are apparently not paying enough attention to them. Hang on. Come here, Mona. Okay. Sorry. This is Mona. This is my little dog, Mona. And she's a very spoiled baby. And she looks like a baby, but she's actually like 5. And she's a rescue, and so is my other dog, who is right here, but it's much too large to pick up for the camera. Do you girls want that door open? Oh, Mona. Yeah, I love Mona. Mona is seriously my baby. And I thought that they wanted the door open, but no, now they both just they want my attention. Go, ladies, find something else to do. Go find something to do, ladies. Yeah. But yeah, Mona is my sweet, sweet baby bear. Everyone, like I said, we moved like 6 months ago. I swear, like more people were, like not more people, but like my friends were like, but when am I going to see Mona? I was like, yeah, I know. It's so sad. Everyone's going to miss Mona because everybody, like all of my friends love Mona. It's Calamity Crow, thank you. It makes me think of Calamity Jane. Yes, Calamity Crow, thank you for following. That's so flattering to me. I think it's sometimes still one of those weird things, like, wait, you heard me talk and you saw what I was doing and you're still sure you want to follow? Like, have you thought this through? Were you left unsupervised? Okay, but now, as I was saying before I got distracted, we need... Did you name them all? Oh my goodness. Oh, see, I was thinking... So actually, it's funny you asked that because people ask me all the time, they're like, do you sell them? I'm like, no, I give them away. But then people, when I knew a bunch of people where I lived, like friends would buy them in person. And now I think that I might try to like sell them, like make them on my Twitch and then maybe sell them on my Instagram. But I was like, I'd have to name them. So then people could watch me, like, make them. And I'd be like, okay, and this one is Jerry Bocephus the Third. This is Calamity Bob. You know, this is Frank the Ghost. And, like name them all. But I was like, you know, I would probably run out of names really fast. So I think I would have to, unless I started, like, I would have to just name them all, like, Spaghetti Sandwich or something. And I'd just come up with ridiculous